Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm going to give this one more try. I'm not out riding because it's a little chilly, so I'm going to try and do a little vlog this way. Got my spider right over there and my gold wing right over there. So I don't really have a whole lot to talk about. I'm just trying to try this out. I'll try and get out and ride maybe Saturday or Sunday. I think it's supposed to warm up and be a little bit nicer out. So I'm going to try and get out a little bit more the next couple days. Can't do it tomorrow. Grandkids are coming over. I have to help my wife watch them. Let me spin this around real quick and I'll show you what I got here. There's my spider and gold wing. And I'm not able to get out and ride, so I'm trying to do this and see how this works. This is what I look like if I don't show myself very often. I try not to, but I live here up north now, near my son and grandkids. So that's all I got so far. Welcome, YouTube. I hope if you don't like this, just let me know. I won't do another one. Bye.